Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with the welcome screen, as you can see right here. So simply start off by changing the language to, well, your desired one. I'm going to select it to be English. And from there, let's select Start. Connect to mobile network. Now on this page we can insert our SIM card, or we can do it on next page or later on completely. It doesn't really matter here, so I'm just going to tap on next and skip this. We have a few legal items to review, so obviously we need to agree to the end user license agreement because nothing welcomes us better than just terms of use. Now the rest of them are optional, so you can completely skip them. And here we have the Wi-Fi connection. Now if you're setting it up for the first time, like actually first time as a brand new device, you just unpacked it, you do need to connect to Wi-Fi, I think. At least that is the case for certain Samsung devices, but if it's just a resetted device, then you don't actually need to connect to Wi-Fi. You can simply skip it if you want to. Now by skipping, you will lose the ability to log into Google account, and time and date won't be set automatically, along with, I believe, some pop-ups associated with the restore of the device won't be visible. But that is only throughout the setup process. Later on, after you're done with the setup, you can connect to everything just through settings. So let's go to the next page. As you can see, there's the date and time. Now it looks like it's actually set correctly, so I'm just gonna select next. We have Google services, location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So if there are some things that you don't want, simply disable them like so, and go down, select accept, and there we go. Now here we can protect our device, that'd be through a fingerprint, a face recognition, PIN, pattern, or password. Now the first two options, the fingerprint or face recognition, will always require one of the three below ones. So PIN, pattern, or password. You basically need to have a physical way of unlocking the device, so if something happens to your face or your finger, you still can access your phone. I'm gonna select pattern just as an example, so let's draw the pattern, continue, redraw the same pattern, confirm, and there we go, it's now set. Then we have Samsung account. This is just kind of what I would call a bloatware from Samsung. You can log in if you wanted to, but truly, basically everything that Samsung provides is substituted by everything that Google has already made before them. And when you try to skip it, it gives you this pop-up like it's trying to be significant or something. It's kind of hilarious and also at the same time pathetic, because let's be honest, Samsung Cloud has equivalent of Google Cloud, and it's kind of hilarious because this phone is running on Android, so every service that they're trying to force down your throat is by default embedded in basically the Android operating system. And that'd be Samsung Cloud has Google Cloud, Bixby has Hey Google, Galaxy team has, well, the entire Play Store, Find My Mobile has, well, Find My Device from Google, Samsung Pass, Google just stores all your password if you really wanted to, Galaxy Store, entire Play Store, and Secure Folder. Usually if there is a Files application, it does have a way of kind of storing your devices, although in the Samsung, I think this is the only thing, like the most secure one, so this secure folder might be an improvement over the Google ones, if it even comes with it. So this is the only thing you would get. If you have no use for this, don't bother even setting it up, the Galaxy account. And then you're all set up, finish, and we should have access to a home screen. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.